In this video we would be covering more of lateral stretches, so that will help basically your this area muscle memory for you going fit again post pregnancy. Your muscle memory of this area would be maintained, and lateral stretches give a lot of oxygen to organs which usually get squeezed while you are you're pregnant and it feels uncomfortable. So we'll in this set we'll do more lateral stretches. So what you can do is you can go up, do triangle asana, breathe in and out, breathe in and out, in, out, in, out. Now you can utilize the edge of this chair, and what we can do is rest our arm like this, and we can go give a stretch like this. Again, do normal breaths here, few 5 to 6 rounds. So if you feel comfortable, you can go up. Your head can go up, or you can just focus on any point down. So get back. For the other side, so you have to be relatively slow. Utilize the edge of this chair like this. Rest your hand like this, and then give a lateral stretch. As and when you feel more comfortable, you can do a round, make a round like this, and relax. So just try making this more slow as possible. Don't overstretch, but of course you can utilize this edge and make it more stable. Yeah. So then the third set of exercises is your warrior pose. In this, what you usually used to do like this. Now with your mind, use you have to engage you as if you're giving strength to your feet. Make it more stable. You bring your awareness on your feet as if you are doing it what you used to usually do like this. So feel like a warrior. Engage your lower portion, more strength, give more strength to your feet, and relax. With the other side, same warrior pose. So this feet at 90 degree, the other one also at 90 degree, and you can go like the warrior pose. Please do not overstretch. Please find a comfortable position for yourself. Okay, another set of exercises which can be done is Garud Asana. So you can go cross-legged like this, but make sure your hips are rested down, and then with your hands you can go in Garud Asana. Couple of breaths here. And then relax. With the other side, other leg. Okay, don't overdo. Just make your this hip area stable, and you can do Garud Asana like this. Normal breaths here, and we can go back to normal. Another set of exercise which we can be done is you have to act as if you're driving a ship, and you do turning like this. So like that. Okay. Another important thing is we can also do twisting, but make sure you don't twist your abdomen in this. Only the upper body twist is allowed in pregnancy. So what we are doing is we are using this, and we can go like this. So only your upper body gets twisted. Your stomach doesn't get twisted. Make sure. Couple of breaths here. And relax. The other side. Like this. You can end. So with this, we did few of lateral stretches and upper body twist. So thank you. All the best.